Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the SpareBank 1 app crashing step by step. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few while and reopen it. Many crashes happen due to temporary glitches. Next, restart your phone to clear system memory and fix background issues. Then, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Spare Mobile Banking, and then make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Updates often fix bugs that causes crashing. If you're using Android, go to Settings app and then find SpareBank 1, tap Storage and Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be corrupted. Now, if the problem persists, go ahead and long press on the app icon, then remove app and delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for SpareBank 1 and reinstall it again. It will give you a fresh version without errors. If the app still crashes, it may be due to device compatibility or temporary server issues, so try again later. That's how you fix the SpareBank app 1 crashing. Do not forget to like for more